how to comment anonymously on Facebook group, or how you can comment anonymously on Facebook group. So commenting anonymously on a Facebook group can be a challenging feature because Facebook platform is designed to show user identities. So however, there are few approaches you might consider if you want to post anonymously or maintain some level of privacy. So if you are admin of your Facebook group, then it is only limited to the available only to the group admins. So if you are the admin of your group, then you can allow post to anonymously within the group, but it doesn't apply to regular user. Just go for the one of the group here. Let's suppose as this, when you are on this group, you have to navigate to the group that where you want to post. You have to click on the three dot which is on the upper right corner to the group main page here, and you have to select the group setting. If you are the admin of this group, then you have to scroll down to the anonymous posting and you have to toggle the switch to enable that feature. When creating a post, select post anonymously to hide your identity. So you can see that. Also, you can create a secondary account to comment on other group. Also, you can post in private or closed group. So to comment anonymously in a Facebook group, you can use a Facebook anonymous posting feature if you are an admin of any of the group. Also, you can create and use a secondary account. You can join your private group for more control visibility. So with the help of this simple step, you can know about how you can comment anonymously on your Facebook group. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.